Hey, good morning everybody, how you doing? I hope you enjoyed the challenge yesterday. We think that being grateful for things and showing gratitude is really, really important to remain positive, and it's actually really, really good for your mental well-being and mental health as well. So I hope you enjoyed that challenge. Thank you so much to everybody that sent things in. We'll have a look at those submissions in a second, but we're just going to make it a really short and snappy video today because I've got to get on and get the main video edited to go on the main channel. So I'm going to be really, really quick. Tomorrow's challenge is for you to take a picture that represents spring. It's been a beautiful day today. We've been out, we managed to go on our one walk, go a little walk around the village, and it was just gorgeous. The sun was shining and it's really, really nice. So we'd love to see what spring looks like near you. So that can either be a photograph or you can draw as a picture if you want. However you want to represent it, build it in Minecraft if you really want to. However you want to represent it, get that down, get it across to us, and we'd love to see what you come up with. So without further ado, let's see your gratitude lists from yesterday. Are you going to stay and watch?
Oh, yeah,
babe. An audience?
You know what, when I do it, you're like this, ain't you?
Oh, I'm trying to smile to encourage you because you're doing well. Oh, it's kind of nice, isn't it? You're going to do that for me now as well?
Do you feel nervous?
Are you? No, it's fine. I'll go for it. I'm a pro.